Okay, so we are back in again. I am Food Life and my name is Rituparna. आप लोग थोड़ा शायद मतलब शॉक होंगे कि मुझे इस ड्रेस पे पहन के, क्योंकि कल हम लोग का इंडिपेंडेंस है. सो वी आर गोइंग एथनिक. So without any wasting any time, let me call Chef Charlie over here. Chef Charlie,
Hi.
welcome to I am Food Life again.
Okay.
Okay, so Chef Charlie.
Today we are going to make a
Yeah.
new pastry, the French dessert. It's called Paris Brest, and the
Paris.
filling will be cream caramel cream. Okay.
Caramel cream. अच्छा Paris.
So Paris Brest. Paris Brest is a derivative of a choux pastry. What is choux? Choux is a French term for cabbage. Okay. It's called in French. It's called choux. So the shape is round like a cabbage. So this we are going to make it round instead of the cabbage shape. We are going to make it ring shape. Okay. We pipe it. We are going to decorate beautifully, and I hope we'll start. Okay.
Yeah, we can start, Chef.
First of all, we'll get familiar with the ingredients.
See, today is Friday, so tomorrow is Friday, so the weekend is coming. Also tomorrow, I think it's Chef. It's Independence
Yeah,
Day, so
Independence
you
Day.
can bake this one or cook this one in your home with your friends and family and enjoy it with your loved ones. So let's see
So first of all,
with the recipe. Yeah,
we take water. This is around 250 ml of water. Okay.
250 ml of water.
It's a basic. See, choux pastry. It's quite difficult. If you can do it properly, you can master it. It will be very easy. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to make. The correct texture, the correct consistency, the color, the baking, everything matters in choux pastry.
আচ্ছা, তো তুমি তাহলে বলতে চাইছো আমাদের ভিউয়ার্সদের যে তোমার রেসিপি যদি ওরা ফলো করে একদম মেজারমেন্ট সবকিছু, তাহলে দে ক্যান ডেফিনেটলি ঘরে ওরা শু পেস্ট্রি বানাতে পারবে. সো সি, so we are lucky, we are very lucky to have Chef Charlie over here in the show. So what's next, Chef?
So we let this water become warm.
Okay.
It become little warm. Then we are going to add butter in this. Okay.
Okay, butter.
So we have butter here. We have butter around 125 grams of butter. Okay.
125. अच्छा viewers, this is very important जब आप baking कर रहे हो या
Yeah,
कुछ बना रहे हो.
measure,
Yeah,
measure.
measurement is very important.
Yeah, because in the other kitchen, what happens if in the hot kitchen or in the continent, you can put a dash of this, but here you need to have the exact measurement. If the measurement is not correct, end product will be very different from what we need. That is very important.
Note it down, guys.
So let the water is becoming a little hot. So we'll take
Yeah.
we'll put the butter in this. Okay.
So this is how much butter, Chef?
This is 125 grams of butter.
120 gram of butter. 25 gram of water. So viewers, note it down.
So now we'll let this mix together. Okay.
So पानी भी गर्म हो चुका है, वार्म हो चुका है, उसमें शेफ ने बटर दे दिया है. So now we need to mix it, right?
Yeah, we'll mix it. In this we'll add a little pinch of sugar.
Pinch of sugar. अच्छा, ये क्यों, Chef?
Yeah, it will give a good color, that's
Okay.
it. The color, I told you, the choux pastry is very difficult to make. If you don't master it, it will not rise up, it will not perfectly become flat. So when you are putting everything, you must know at what stage to put it, okay? When the water is boiling, the consistency is good, then you put the sugar and the salt, okay?
Yes.
So we should melt properly, yeah? The butter should melt in this water fully.
মাখনটাকে ভালো করে গলিয়ে নিতে হবে.
It
আর
acts
যদি
a
আমরা
French dessert.
হ্যাঁ.
So the way the French, they love a lot of butter in the pastry. So that's the reason you have a lot of butter in this pastry. So unlike the Indian dessert, this has a lot of butter in it. আমরা ইন্ডিয়ান ডেজার্টে বেশি অফ মিল্ক দেখি.
মিল্ক, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, একটু ক্ষীর এইসব আমাদের বেশি হয়,
ঘি,
কিন্তু
ডালডা।
ওদের বেশিরভাগই তোমার বাটার দিয়ে সবকিছু হয়. তো আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বাটারটা অলমোস্ট পড়ে গেছে জলের সাথে.
If you give time, slowly. See, a lot of other things in pastry. For example, chocolate decoration, sugar work. It's a lot of patience. You have to go slowly, step by step. You cannot rush it. Then everything will be upside down.
Okay, so the smell is beautiful.
This
Butter
will
smell is coming.
put
Yeah.
a dash of vanilla. Just
Vanilla
see
essence.
1 cup of vanilla. The cap is 5 ml approximately. Yeah. You just put
5 ml of vanilla essence, guys.
Just put a cap of vanilla. Okay. It will give a good flavor essence.
Flavor.
Yeah. We continue with this. Is already melted. Now we just put this little slower. Okay. And then we'll add the flour. Okay.
Slowly, slowly, you need to add the flour. So এটা কতটা flour আছে শেফ?
150 gram of flour.
150 gram of flour.
Mix it, okay?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এই সময় কিন্তু আমাদের টেম্পারেচারটা একদমই
Minimum.
মিনিমাম
If it's very যদি হাই থাকে ওটা অফ করে দাও ফ্লেমটা কিন্তু।
আচ্ছা এখন যেমন হাই ছিল বলে শেফ ওটাকে অফ করে দিয়েছে ওর মধ্যেই আমরা ওটাকে মিক্স করছি শেফ দিস ইজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রত্যেকটা পার্টি আই থিংক ইম্পর্টেন্ট
Everything goes step by step, everything. I told you, if you miss something, the product will not become good.
So you need to concentrate and you need to have patience.
Yeah.
It's coming all together. The dough মতন হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Okay, now I'll use this wooden spatula.
জাস্ট মানে ডো টাইপের করে নিতে হবে
ওটাকে আমরা মিক্স করে দেব।
মিক্স করতে
And the flour should be sieved. So you will get অনেক lumps হয়ে যায়, lumps হয়ে that
তো
will be
ফ্লাওয়ারটা কিন্তু আমাদের মানে আগে থেকে ছেঁকে রাখতে হবে নাহলে কিন্তু লাম্পস হয়ে যেতে পারে আপনাদের So now what we can see
like a dough, okay?
yeah it's coming like a dough
It's actually a cooked dough, it's cooked.
cooked huh.
This will transfer in a bowl over here. This bowl over here.
Yeah.
Transfer over here. See?
Yeah.
Transfer over here. See, one more main thing over here
Yeah.
is that after we have made this, we need to rest this. Okay, we have to rest this until it becomes room temperature. Because if at this stage, if I am going to add eggs, what will happen? The eggs will get cooked. Okay, so it will become again a mess. Okay?
Means যতক্ষণ আপনাদের মানে এটা ঠান্ডা না হয়ে যাচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ,
তখন
হ্যাঁ,
এটা
হ্যাঁ।
রুম টেম্পারেচারে
Room temperature রেখে দেবো।
মিনিমাম কতক্ষণ
Or fan এর নিচে রেখে দেবো। It will become minimum at least 15-20 half an
15
hour
to
also.
20 minutes half an hour max to max
Maximum.
আপনাকে এটা ঠান্ডা করতে হবে দেন আপনাকে এগটা দিতে হবে নাহলে কিন্তু এটা
খারাপ হয়ে যাবে, means it will get messy, you know. The eggs will get cooked.
Hmm.
আর আমরা এই জিনিসটা হবে না যে the thing which we are going to make.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll skip this step because we have to.
Yeah, because we are going live as you already
this is
know.
important, no,
So
this
we
is
will skip this thing and chef. So
I have
after
a dough ready.
yeah. তো আমরা কি পুরো একটাই দেব না এক ইয়ক বা এরকম
No,
কিছু
pure
ব্যাপার
egg.
আছে?
So I have ready over here this one.
So how many
See, you
eggs?
can feel it little cold. It's cold, okay?
So this is cold. Okay. And how many eggs?
Approximately 2 to 3 eggs. I put 3 eggs. Sometimes
eggs.
yeah, it depends on 2.5 to 3 eggs. Okay. So we'll add 1 egg over here. Okay.
One whole egg.
And then we mix it a bit thoroughly.
And we have to mix.
Do this part.
Okay.
Thoroughly, yeah.
You need a lot of strength for this, I think.
Okay.
One egg is,
thing is it will take a longer time if you are going to use it like this. What you do at this, I'll use because I have gloves over here.
Yeah.
I can use my hand. If you have a glove, you can use your hand because this will take a longer time. Also, okay.
Okay. So you need to use your hands.
Yeah, but you try to use hygienic. Okay? Just
Hygienic,
like that.
yeah.
So you put one more egg over here.
One more egg. So total 2 eggs we are using.
No, we
Okay, one more, okay.
The consistency is main. What it has to be a piping consistency. It cannot be a pudding. It cannot be very thick. It has to be a piping consistency. This is the main thing in the shoe business. You have to pipe it. Okay. You have to see the consistency of the dough.
कंसिस्टेंसी अगर आपका ठीक नहीं है
हाँ.
तो आप ये नहीं बना पाओगे तो ध्यान से देख लो कि शेफ कितना कंसिस्टेंसी इसको रख रहा है
So you can do this also in a machine. We have over your mixer machine.
Okay,
See,
if you have a this
mixer machine, it's a
mixer
dough mixer
machine,
machine. You
okay.
can do it in that,
Okay.
but we do it in a bulk when we have a big quantity of product. Like example, this is very minimum 250, 150 gram of flour. If it's like 3 kilo, 4 kilo, then I have to use it because I cannot mix by hand. Okay.
So if you have this,
Yeah, if you have this at home, it's very
you can
easy.
use it.
This is actually the heart of bakery. Okay. Without this, bakery is incomplete because we have made everything over here from cakes to pastries, all is done. Even whipping the cream, everything we use this. Okay. It's a mini small dough mixer. A lot of people have in there. So you see the dough is little thicker,
Yeah.
huh? So you want more thin, okay? This is very thin. You're gonna pipe this, okay?
Okay.
This I'm just showing just like we are doing in a classes. It's almost similar. Okay? Now we put
One
one
more
more.
egg. So total 3 eggs we are using.
Okay? To make sure shell doesn't fall in there, okay?
No,
I'm
no.
making with technique because I'm used to it. You guys do it properly, yeah?
So do we have any questions from viewers?
Can
Not
you
yet?
specify the weight of an egg in your recipe?
Exactly. This is a very good question. Okay? It's
Achha,
50
who have
grams.
done
Okay?
this? Who have done this
Who has
question?
asked me? It's very good.
Saif Imam.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
Saif
50
is
gram.
on.
Okay, it's 50 gram without the shell, and approximately 52 grams with the shell. Okay, standard size.
Good question,
50
Shreya,
with,
sir.
without the shell and 52 with the shell.
Okay.
That is approximate weight of an egg.
So now you can see the consistency is coming.
Okay, yeah. See,
Yeah.
consistency is coming a bit. See, the pouring consistency. Okay, it's falling down. Okay. This is very important in shoe pastry. Like, you know, the consistency has to be correct. Okay.
So this is a perfect
This is
consistency.
a perfect consistency because a lot of people, this is actually very tricky here. If you don't have exact consistency, you will pipe it, it will fall out. It will all get messed, spread in the baking tray.
Baking tray.
And if it's very hard, if you pipe it, your pipe it will break. Okay, the strings will break. Okay, the strings are going. So you need a pouring consistency. You see, it's falling down. Okay, falling down. Okay.
So this is done. The batter is done. The chef need to again wear another gloves.
Need to change your gloves. That's no issue. But that is important. I have to show you.
Definitely. We can do anything for our viewers.
Okay. Now what we will do?
Next.
We take a piping bag. So we remove this. Take a piping bag. Remove this. So we have piping bag with a star nozzle. Okay, this is a big star nozzle. This is almost 8.5 inch size. Okay, this star nozzle big size.
8.5, right? 8.5 half is the size.
52 is the number. Okay.
52 is the number.
So you must know how to hold a piping bag. So I'm holding in one hand, and one hand you should pour it. Okay, so take it like this. Take the spatula and pour it. Okay, see. Okay,
Is it?
it's ready to go.
Now you can. Wow.
You see, it's falling right. So what we do, the next is the piping. This is a very important stage. So you can draw a circle over here with a pen if you want. I don't need to draw. I'm just advising you if you cannot. See circle you can draw and you go like this. Okay, see I'm piping.
So you need to make a circle out of it.
Okay.
This one is done. So we need space also, right, chef?
Yeah, because that will expand. No, after baking, when it's baking, it will expand. Huh? Okay.
And one more. Baking is like an art. You're
It's art,
drawing
it's
and
art.
all.
If you are good in art, then it's good. You are good in pastry. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
So
This is a shoe pastry. Okay, I have piped it in the circular. So that's why it's called Paris Express for the shape. Okay. On this, what we have to put important is
Achha.
you have to put almond flakes. Okay,
Almond flakes.
Yeah, almond flakes. See, I have almond flakes. So I put some almond flakes on it. That's very important part of the shoe pastry.
Is there any optional dry fruits they can use?
No, no,
Viewers?
no. If you are making Paris bricks, you have to put almond flakes. You
So
cannot
this
put
is
any-
the only recipe you need to follow. You can't
put cashew or
give,
anything,
yeah,
whatever
who
wants.
give,
Example, if
any
you say,
other
how if
dry-
you see I don't have almond, I'm going to put cashew. That's going to be a different pastry. You
Okay,
cannot
that
say
will not
Paris
work.
brick. Okay?
Okay. So you need to have almond flakes.
If you are making Paris bricks, then you need to have almond. So you can give another name for it. Okay? So this is good to go in the oven. Okay, now the baking part. Very important when you bake in the oven, you put at a high temperature, approximately 200 degrees Celsius for the first 15 minutes. Okay? First 15, and you don't open the oven at that time, otherwise it will fall. Okay? Baking is also very important in shoe pastry. You must know when you put in the oven, let it stay over there for 10-15. Because I see a lot of people, a lot of students, they opening the oven in 5 minutes, 2 minutes, so it will fall down. Okay? Let it be in the oven. Don't disturb it for the next 10-15 minutes. So it will be in the oven, it will rise. After that, after 15 minutes, you put it to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay?
Okay, so we are very sorry that the light suddenly went. So we will continue.
Okay, so this part is done.
Okay,
So,
so
next-
chef, for how many minutes we need to bake it?
We'll bake it for 20 minutes, half an hour maximum.
Half an hour, maximum half an hour. So again, I'm telling we are going live, so no, we will not do the baking. But chef already told how many minutes you have to bake it for. So we have already done it before. So chef, I think the product which will come. Let me.
Okay, I have a tray over here.
This is the tray, and the final product will be like
Yes.
this.
Okay, I have one here.
अच्छा ये फूलेও গেছে ये पूरा फूल गया है ठीक है
Okay.
जैसे शेफ ने बताया था
See, reason. So the way we want it over here, height is there. Okay,
This much
and I've
height.
cut it through in a slanting. So you see over here. I've cut it through. Okay, so because you're going to put filling. Okay, inside.
yes
So you've cut it through. Okay, you can put filling of your choice, but normally for the Paris bricks, the filling goes praline cream. Okay. Praline cream is the hazelnut and all mixed together. That we mix with the cream and we do it, okay? But I have used, I've given a twist, I have used caramel.
Caramel
It's-
cream.
It's just nearby almost praline, okay? So we will
so we can start for doing the caramel cream oh
See,
we have
caramel is
already
ready.
done it
I have whipped cream over here. In that I have caramel. I have added caramel. See, caramel syrup.
oh this is this is almost available in
In the
markets
market,
yeah
Caramel syrup.
let me read it so that viewers can use it it's Hershey's syrup caramel flavor so you just need to pipe the
I'll show you two types of piping. This one is just basically the rosette type, and I'll show you the long one, okay?
okay
You can do whatever piping, whichever looks good for you.
but this one looks better I think it looks good from outside okay
Okay?
okay
And
so
then-
this one is one type of piping and
You put this on top. Okay,
And
another
another
one,
one.
do another one.
yeah
So this will go a bit long. See, I'm piping in this way. See,
wow it's like a wave you just need to
it's a half C wave. See,
yeah
see whichever you have to go with the skill. If you're going years in the pastry, you will learn this. Okay, the piping skill.
so if you want to like pipe this type of paste this type of what is this called chef piping
Yeah, piping.
yeah if you want to learn this type of piping then you need to come to IIM again
Yeah,
which is in
definitely.
Kolkata and Guwahati
You see?
wow looks great so this one is also done
This one is done. Okay.
okay so we are
after-
almost done
So
chef.
next, what we will do?
okay
We'll add some icing sugar on top. Okay.
Acha icing sugar this is just for the
Decoration.
okay it's your choice if you want to decorate.
No, but you should do this because you look good. Right?
It looks
End
good.
of the day, if you're making a pastry, it should look good. People should love seeing it. Wow, what a pastry you're making. So you should do this part. Don't omit this part because this also goes on top.
Okay. So all the parts are important.
All the parts are important. In pastry, all the parts. You have to go step by step, and then your end product will become good. Okay. Now we'll go for the plating. Okay.
Okay. So the final product, the plating.
Okay. The final product of the plating. Okay. So we have a plate over here. I've just done a bit demo of a plating. Okay. See. I hope you can see it. No?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is with the chocolate. I've done a chocolate swirl with a golden dust. Okay. We have a lot of dust in the market, like silver dust. This is silver I'm using here, but I have used gold over here. Okay. So we will place this in the center. I'll take one. Okay. Fine dining, when you do a presentation for the guest, try to keep this standard. You make a pastry, you have one plating over there, everything should look good. Because for a certain customer, you have one pastry. Don't give a lot of pastry, it won't look good. Okay.
Just give one.
Yeah. So that we pipe this one.
So Chef, the other one is for me.
Yeah, definitely you can try. So I'll go in the center. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
And then I have made a.
So Chef, can I keep this one here?
Yeah. So I've made a chocolate fan. Okay, I put a chocolate fan over here.
So you could, Chef, you can put it on the tabletop, then it will be more visible.
So we can keep it over here. Stage. So this is almost done, and this is the final product.
Okay, we go for the final.
Wow,
Okay.
looks amazing. So it was today's dish, which is known as Paddy's breast with caramel cream, which is done by Chef Charlie. So we will definitely taste it, but after the show, because my hands are not in gloves, so I need to wash it, then I have it. So without wasting any time, let me tell you, try out this recipe in your home and let us know how was the recipe. And again, we are coming on Monday, and please enjoy your Independence Day in your home and enjoy this.
Happy Independence Day.
Yeah, happy Independence Day to all.
Stay safe.
And yeah,
Stay
stay safe, stay fine, and also try this recipe in your home and enjoy with your loved ones. Bye bye.
Bye bye.